Do you spend more than 5 hours a day staring at screens? Or do you go out without wearing sunglasses? Then you really need to watch this video. Today we're talking about daily eye care, plus a special pick: magnetic clip-on sunglasses. Let's see if they're really the new must-have for why eye care matters. Long hours of screen time can cause eye strain, dryness, or even temporary myopia. And strong sunlight with UV rays that can damage your eyes over time and even increase the risk of cataracts. Taking care of your eyes is just as important as taking care of your skin. Simple eye care tips. So what can we do? For example, take a 5-minute break after every 40 minutes of screen time. Add lutein and beta-carotene to your daily diet. Wear UV protection sunglasses or a sun hat when going out. Do warm compresses for 35 minutes a day to relieve eye fatigue. Now let me show you my recent favorite magnetic clip-on sunglasses. What's cool about them is you can snap them onto your optical glasses anytime. One pair for daily wear plus outdoor use. UV protection with optional polarized lenses to cut glare. More flexible than photochromic lenses, and way more convenient than carrying two pairs. Real-life scenarios user feedback. Personally, I wear them when I'm driving, shopping, or camping on weekends. Super lightweight, and I never stress about which pair to bring. Some users say I never lose my sunglasses anymore, or the magnetic design is just genius. We only have one pair of eyes, so let's treat them well. If you're curious about magnetic clip-on sunglasses, check out the link below and share in the comments how do you usually take care of your eyes.